Adopting a dog from a shelter creates a ripple of hope. By welcoming a shelter dog into your home and your heart, you have not just saved one life, you have created additional room in the shelter for another dog in need, for a forever family. While many people desire a puppy, there are several benefits to adopting an older dog. These are our beautiful shelter dogs. Billy and I and our 5 kids have had so many dogs and animals and people in our home over the years. I would have to sit down and count them all. I have worked in many aspects of animal welfare over the years: legislation at the Capitol, fostering, sheltering, and many diverse things. Today, I'm doing the most gratifying thing that we have done in my career in animal welfare. I work with Brandy Jackson and Laura Thompson and many support people in a program we call Positive Pathways. Brandy Jackson is the lead trainer with Positive Canine Solutions. We take rural homeless shelter dogs, bring them into our facility, which consists of a board and train area, an amazing agility course, and Brandy, all the animals are housed in home. We take no more than 6 animals, and we completely vet them along with a heartworm test, get them acclimated to living the good life, as many have not been in homes. Once they're ready for their new homes, we hand deliver each dog. The whole intent of our program is for the dog to never return to the shelter. We thank everyone for the amazing support of our program, and we're excited about all the possibilities and all the amazing things that are happening. God bless each and every one of you that works in this industry. It's tough work, but so rewarding. Thank you for rescuing and supporting shelter and rescue dogs. God bless you.